Hi, it's Amber. Welcome to today's Take a Breather Tech Minute. Today we're going to focus on the new announcement that Flipgrid just made about screen recording. This is an awesome feature to add in this Learn from Home time. Okay, so I'm going to head on over to Flipgrid and show you that when you add a new topic and you click on your record a video, you'll notice at the bottom there are three dots. If you click on those three dots, you have a screen recorder beta. So I'm going to click on that and you'll notice it says I'm going to start capturing your screen. So you can start your screen recording, choose your screen that you want to use. So I'm going to choose an application window where I have a document open and I'm going to share. It's going to give me a countdown. And now it's capturing my screen. So I can scroll through my screen, capture what it is that I'm talking about, and then when I'm finished, I can stop recording or pause recording. And now it's capturing my... So you'll see how it captured my screen, and it puts this black bar around it, and it's capturing everything that I talked about while I had that open. And so when I'm ready, I can just click next and keep going. So this is a fabulous feature that they've added to Flipgrid. Enjoy screen recording using Flipgrid. Who knew? Don't forget to take a breather today and do something special for yourself.